Hello everyone. In previous lecture we learned about how to create the table and how to insert the values inside the table. Now we are going to fetch the data from the table. Let's start the MySQL server. Run MySQL server as an administrator. Go to the bin directory. Where is the bin? Bin inside the drive C. In drive C there is MySQL bin. Copy this path. Paste it here. Now, how to run? There is a command to run the MySQL server, mysql d space hyphen hyphen console. The server is running successfully. You minimize it, then open again new CMD. Go to again to the bin folder. Just wait. How was it? Bin folder. Now check the name of what is the name of our previous table, MySQL hyphen u. The user ID is root and the password is also root. It is run. What was the name of our database? Its name was work. Show tables. The name was table was employees. Now how to fetch these values? These values inside the Python idle. Open it. Open the idle. Just scroll it. Now create a database connection as earlier we create. So for that purpose we have to import the package PyMySQL. After that we have to create database db is equal to PyMySQL dot net. In this connect we have four arguments. We have to pass four arguments. First is our localhost. Name of our localhost is localhost. Then the second argument is the user ID. User ID is root. Third argument is password. Password is also a root. And the last argument is the name of the database. The name of database is work. Now database is created. After that we have to create a cursor. The name of the cursor is cur is equal to db dot cursor. Our cursor has been created now successfully. After that we have to write our query to select the data from database. The query is select star sorry select star from what is the name of table. Table name is employees. After that query is over. Now run it by using the try catch. If there is any exception generated by the database, we have to handle it. To handle data exception from database, we use try and except. Now execute the query. Dot execute. Query name is SQL. Now every data is not the whole data is whole data is already inserted into the table was pointed by the cursor. Everything is inside the cursor CUR. We have to fetch it by using the for loop. In Python, for loop can be executed as an iterator. Now, how iterator work? Like this: for I in cursor. Now print I, print print. What is the value inside the curve can be printed by the I with the help of I. It's work. Now come out from the for, make the database commit, db.commit. If there is any problem, then we can roll back the changes inside the database by using the command db.rollback. Now everything is finished. At last we can close the database. The program is finished. Let me save it. Save it here. Go to the desktop. There is the, I think the folder name is new folder. Now let me save it. db3.py. The value inserted inside the table is shown in the Python code. Is it visible to everyone? Yes. Let me check all values. Cross check the values. If you want to cross check it, then write the same command where you same query you write in the Python. Select star from employees semicolon. Let you go and cross check it. Abhimanyu is from Kanpur. ID is 1. Abhimanyu Kanpur ID is 1. Everything is visible. This is the way of how to select the data from database. Okay. Now our next program is how to delete data from database. Okay. Let me end this.